Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous session, we already discussed about the condition handling and some of the coding challenges related to the condition handling as well. These are the important codes for the freshers. So people might ask during the interview how to find the largest and the smallest number, and maybe the division problem as well that is related to the if else condition, right? We discuss about the assign and comparison operator as well, the nested if else condition, logical and all. So if you don't know about the condition handling, you can refer my previous videos. I'm providing the link in the description. So in the previous session, we discussed about the largest number and the smallest number, how to find that. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about one more problem statement that is related to the months. Okay. So for that, what I will do, I will create a new class here. Let's understand the problem statement first. Okay. So what exactly we need to design here? So suppose you know that in the calendar we have the 12 months, right? So in the January, right, there will be 31 days. The February will have a 28 or 29 days depending on the leap year, right? Then in the March we have again a 31 days, right? April will be 30 days. May will be 31 days and goes on. So we need to write a code. Suppose as the user, the January is my first month, right? So suppose I'm providing the value 1, then as the output, I should get how many days will be there in the first month, right? So suppose as a user, I'm providing the input as the 1, then I should get the output as the 31. Suppose I'm providing the value as the 3, that is the March month, right? So again, I should get the output as the 31. But if I provide the 4, I should get the output as the 30, right? So we need to put the month of the number, sorry, the number of the month, and as per that, we should get how many days are present in that particular month. Okay, so we need to write a code for this. So how to write that? We need to again use the if else condition for this one. Okay. So in the problem statement, we are not going in a detail if it is a leap year or not. For the February, we will just print the statement. It will be a 28 or 29 days. We are more focusing on the months of the year, not if it is a leap year or not. Okay. So let's start. So for that, I will first create one method public void check days or months, and here we will provide anti month. Okay, so whatever the month value, so suppose for the January it will be 1, for the February it will be 2, for the March it will be 3, right? So we need to put the give the input according to that. So here I will first need to write the if condition. Okay, the first thing is if my month number is greater than 12 or if it is less than 0, right, or less than, I can say the 1, right? In that condition, the month is not valid. So we just have this 12 months, right? So in that condition, I will first check the negative value. So for that, we need to use, suppose if my month is less than 1, okay, or we need to use the or condition here, right? And if my month is greater than 12, right? In that case, I need to put that this is a invalid month. Okay. Okay, that's clear. So why we are using the logical or here? So one of the condition, if that gets satisfied, then it should put that is an invalid month. So here we are putting just one input, right? Suppose I'm giving the value as a 13 or 14. In that condition, if this condition gets satisfied, then it will give me the output as the invalid month, right? Or if I'm putting the value less than 1, suppose 0 or something in negative number, then also it will give me the output as the invalid month, right? So the next thing we need to write for the 31 days. For that, I will use the else if. Okay. Let me quickly write this one. I will fast forward this, okay, and then I will explain you the logic. Okay. So let's understand first what is the logic for the 31 days. For the months 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 12. So that is January, March, May. For all those months, my output should be the 31 days, right? So this month are having 31 days. Again, we are using the logical or here. If one of the condition gets satisfied, then this statement will get spring. Then again, we are using the comparison operator here, right? If my month is equal to 1, we are not assigning the value, right? So we are checking this condition. If it is equal to 1, then perform the action. If it is equal to 3, then perform the action, right? So for the same, I will write the else if for the 30 days as well. Okay. So for the month from the 3, okay, from the 4, it will start. So next is about the 30 days. So we are using the same logic, right? So here the months will be changed in the condition. So for the month number 4, 6, 9, and 11, we are having the 30 days. And for the February month, we need to write one more else if condition. Okay. If my month is equal to 2, in that case, we are not handling any leap year condition here, right? So I will write this month as 28 or 29 days. Okay. So that's a simple logic. Okay. So let's run this program. I will comment out this previous methods. Okay. And for the months, we need to create object here in the main. In the main method, we need to create a object for the months class, right? So month O is equal to new month. Okay. And O dot month, right? Check days for the months. And suppose first I will give some value, uh, suppose greater than 12. Okay, let's run this one. This is showing invalid month, right? That's the first condition. Suppose I'm giving some negative value. We need to check for all the values, right? All the possible conditions. Suppose I'm giving, suppose the value is equal to 0. In that case also, it will show me the invalid month. Okay. The next thing, suppose I'm giving the value, suppose 5, that is my May month. Okay, for that, let me give here the value as the 5. Okay, and let's run this program. This month has a 31 days, correct? So May is having 31 days. The next thing I will check for the April. Okay, so I will pass the value as the 4. So in that condition, it will show me this month has a value 30 days. That's correct. Next one is for the February, where we are expecting this message as this month has a 28 or 29 days, right? So let's check that. So this month has a 28 or 29 days, correct? So that's the program where we are passing the month's number and we are checking how many days are present in that particular month. And we are doing this using the condition handling. So we are using the if and else if statement here with the logical or, right? So that's it for the today, guys. If you have any question, you can put down that in the comment section. So thank you for the today. Have a nice day.